professional customer support makes sure you get results fast, guaranteed.
This is what I was dealing with. Just heartbreaking. And this is what it looks like now. I mean, it makes me want to cry. It's really a miracle.
If you're ready to get your
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tuscaloosa County Emergency Management Agency. Tuscaloosa EMA is asking all residents to continue to remain off roadways at the southern tip of the city of Tuscaloosa, so emergency services and cleanup crews can access the area. Temporary disaster shelters have opened up in the following locations: Cottondale Elementary School, 2301 Cottondale Lane, Cottondale, Alabama; Davis Emerson Middle School, 1535 Prude Mill Road, Cottondale, Alabama; University Mall, 1701 East McFarland Boulevard, Tuscaloosa, Alabama; McCabe Activity Center, 3801 Loop Road, Tuscaloosa, Alabama; Hillcrest High School, 300 Patriot Parkway, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. These sites will be reserved for emergency sheltering from now until April 21st, 2011. For more updates on tornado damage recovery, please tune to WVUA Channel 23 on your television or to 94.1 on the radio.
From bright ideas to big money, entrepreneurs.